bless up guys. Welcome to another exciting weekend on St. Thomas Redevelopment, where we showcase the best of what is happening within St. Thomas that seeks to showcase all the positive things are happening. So this week we are on Retreat Road heading into Lyson, and we are close to, you call it, Johnstown Crossing. But what we noticed today is that JPS contractors are out working. A lot of poles are being changed, and you can see the man them have them equipments, and looking closely you can see bumper to bumper traffic, but that is a necessary inconvenience for us to get good road, because these old poles, of course, they have to change out and so on. So as you can see, the men are out. Says JPS contractors on the side of the vehicle. Also, you see wires down. There's no electricity in this area at the moment due to the fact that they are changing the poles. Poles them look nice and orange, and they are removing the older poles, as you can see. So things are happening in St. Thomas. So guys, okay, that's an hazard light there. I wonder what going down this. Anyway, whoa, what going? What going this? Oh, somebody was reversing. Anyway, so the man them are change out the poles them. They are putting fresh wires and so on. So you're going to see all of that as we progress towards Morant Bay. But so here you to our left you would find Golden Shore Resort. Would love to feature there one day, but you know, if them send the invitation to our Instagram page, we will be able to cover that, or even our Facebook. Anyway, we're on our way to Morant Bay. You can see bumper to bumper traffic in the distance, and heavy equipments out doing the transfer of wires. Posts are on the ground, men are on poles, so things are happening. So this is very good for the parish, because as we enter the hurricane season, it means that should there be heavy winds, the damage to light poles, wires, etc., like the trees and so on falling on the wire, that would be lessened. So as you can see, they are out with their heavy equipments and they are working. So this is a good look for the parish. Of course, to the right you see a yellow machine. That's the machine they are using to make the trench, to insert the conduits that will carry the fiber optic network. We have a video that featured that already. St. Thomas getting high-speed internet connection. You can check it out, it's on the channel. But you can see the men out working. So we move closer to Morant Bay. I don't know how far they go in terms of the work and the pulling and all of that, but to the sides you can see that they are pulling down wires, then are climbing poles, and it's a good look for the parish. Some sidewalks have already been installed. Also, yeah, this brother have a huge digger, man, that huge. Anyway, you can see what I go on. So it appears they're going to ask us to take a detour. Oh, go straight. Respect, boss. Yeah, man. So you can see also the flow vans. A lot of flow van out taking down their wires also. You can see they already put in some heavy poles. That one is very tall compared to the previous one. But it appears that this may be captured that they are digging, working. It appears they are out to them and the full crew. This left side of the road is pretty bad at the moment. I want to the bike money, man. It's like no sense. Anyway, also you can see there are holes in the ground. So basically, what I'm seeing, a lot of work is taking place within the retreat going into the Morant Bay direction today. So this is very good. Yep. So St. Thomas finally getting some positive attention. The men are working. Look how I'm suspending at the air, man. It's almost like him afloat. Anyway, we move closer to Lyson Beach. Well, Lyson Beach is roughly 10 seconds away to our left. Nice venue. You can take your family and have a good time. So you see, this area is heavily used by traffic, and the men are out working today. Okay, so that section now widen. Pole gone into the ground already. Yeah. So things are going. People wanna tell me in the comment section what you feel about this. What you think about the road? Is it wide enough? Is changing out the poles now a good thing, you know? Give me your feedback. Tell me what you think. What you think about the kind of investment that is being made in St. Thomas right now. Tell me what you think. Because this is very good. So we're just passing Princess Margaret Hospital and we are heading into Morant Bay. This section though is licensed road. As you can see, the road, them lay some pipes, so the road not in good condition at this time. But I assume soon as them don't change out the poles and lay them fiber optic systems, then we should see better roads eventually. Anyway, things are happening. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. So the subscriptions are grow. Some videos racked up 10-20,000 views, but the people are not subscribe. You know, would I really appreciate that, because it would show a certain level of maturity and growth in the channel, because the contents are being consumed, but sometimes, you know, you don't get the feedback in terms of subscriptions, and some person just watch but they still don't even leave a feedback. Anyway, that's not a biggie, but we are pushing into Morant Bay now. So tell me what you think. That side, I don't see no pipe lay that section of the road yet. I assume so there will be eventually. because this section is notorious for broken water main, and that's due to the fact that those pipes are in the ground for many years upon years. Anyway, it's kind of overcasted. So here, so them call a place a Falcon Crest. From a little boy, and I always wonder why they call it so. Anyway, that's what it's named. Don't know if it's a thing like a villa or you know, a guest house, but it seems to be a personal house based on what I've observed. And as you can see to the left, them recently make a seawall right there, or a retaining wall. Them used to have party right off here, so I think it's called Shine's Night Club or something like that. Yeah, so we are moving on Morant Bay now. So for those persons who watched the video the other day and they saw the stone wall that was being built, it's to the right as I'm about to negotiate this corner. Seems today is the rest day, not much activity or no activities taking place there today, but as you can see, they have progressed swiftly. And to the left is the wall that many friends have asked, what to the wall there? Yeah, from it a bill we did capture it, and there's basically contents to show, say yo, this was what it was like. So here we are now, moving, and we are in Morant Bay. So now go here, so one go up at the hardware, go check out some things. Why? One thing though, down here so kind of unorganized, and vicinity of the Morant Bay Courthouse, where you had, so this is the old courthouse. Yes, a Paul Bogle and bus fight back in the day and burn it down. Well, it was repaired and it burned to the ground again. Not sure why, but such is it, you know, such is life. Authorities have taken any meaningful action to do any repair to it. Yeah, and we have the Jamaica Constabulary Force headquarters for St. Thomas, and yeah, so we're moving in the bay. I go out there, as I say. Guys, thank you very much for supporting the channel, for giving your feedbacks. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Thanks to everyone. You have been phenomenal to the growth of the channel. Can't thank me enough. Give thanks always. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend.